This is Building Science 3430 Lab 5 concrete panels. Throughout this video we will discuss the different means by which we came up with our concrete designs, as well as some of the means and methods we used to construct these design mixes.
What's up? What are you up to?
As you can see, we carefully measured each and every component of each and every design to get the most accurate design mix proportions as possible. As you can see, we started each mix design by first weighing the cement. Knowing the cement weight, we could use the water-cement ratio to determine the weight of water that would be required for the mix.
10.25. Putting the gravel on.
This is our aggregate weight.
After we got the weight of our cement, we then measured out the coarse aggregate by weight. After getting the correct proportions for the cement and the coarse aggregate, it was time to get the correct proportion for the sand or fine aggregate.
Perfect. Water trying to get 4.8 pounds.
All right, we're starting to mix our conventional concrete. And a little bit of the water.
As you can see, we started the mixing process by first adding dry ingredients to the wheelbarrow and then slowly adding water over time. This helps ensure that we have a consistent mix that doesn't have wet and dry areas throughout the entire mixture. While one half of our group was making the mixes for the concrete panels, the other half of our group was making the formwork for the panels to set in. This was done by using screws, 2x4s, and plywood. We used the 1 1/2 inch depth of the 2x4 to create the 1 1/2 inch depth of our panels.
All right, this is the cement mix for the porous concrete, and we're looking for 8.5 pounds, and we got it.
And we've got it.
8.5. There's not going to be any sand in this mixture because it needs to have water running through it pretty cleanly, which means there's going to be a lot more gravel making up for it.
A lot more aggregate. Here comes our aggregate measurement.
67, I think, pounds of aggregate.
Through our studies with Professor Hine and Azar, we knew that we had to have a gap-graded aggregate mixture to ensure that water would flow freely throughout the voids created by the pervious concrete. To achieve this, we did not use any sand or 57, but only used number 89 stone.
All right, now we're getting the water. We're only looking for about 2.8 pounds.
I appreciate it on number 0.
So we're going to zero this out.
Getting out all the extra.
So this is the first pour. We're just finishing it and making sure we get it compacted enough.
All right, guys, we're about to begin the pour of our pervious mix. First, we have our aggregate coming in here. There's not going to be any sand in this mixture. Here comes our cement.
Start getting some water in that.
Oh, that saw's open. I need it.
All right, here we got a little bit more cement coming in.
We continued mixing the three primary components of our pervious concrete, the cement, water, and 89 stone, until we achieved the oatmeal consistency as discussed in Professor Hines' lecture.
Go.
Alright, we got these filled up. This one's already compacted down. We don't compact it too much, we really just dry the top, get all the excess off of it. You don't want to compact it too much or the water's not going to be able to pass through. What, you just want to use this board or you already got one? Alright, this is quickcrete. Mix in some water with it.
1 gallon of water. That's my water bottle.
After finally mixing our conventional concrete, we added the concrete to the panels and let all three types of concrete set over a 1-week period. This was our final result. As you can see, the finish of the concrete panels are exceptional and the pervious concrete stood up to standards.
Alright, and go.
Alright, this is our standard mix of concrete. We're going to pour water on it.
Yep. It's not
Looks pretty impervious to me. Alright, now we're gonna try our pervious.
Well, that one's slower. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's too tall.
Man, that's awesome right there.
Get an upper shot.
Man, that's beautiful.
That's pretty. It's like music to my ears.